All right, we've already had a couple of rounds of rain through the area, and we're going to continue to see that just ahead of the cold front. Cold front still hasn't come through just yet, but it did see the temperatures dropping because of those rain showers down to 80 degrees. It's now mostly cloudy. Notice the winds. They are out of the north, 15 miles an hour. The barometer at 30, 22/100ths of an inch. Dew point also at 68 degrees. So it was looking like the front was right here, but I have to say with the winds now coming in, and I think what happened, you can see actually this rain, storms coming right through, right past the airport, right at the top of the hour. That's when the sample was taken, and that's why we're getting those winds out of the north. Let's watch. I bet you they'll be out of the west at the top of the next hour, and then they'll switch out of the north again, or really out of the northwest a little bit later when the actual front comes in. We do have some heavier storms that we are tracking at this point. The Munhall area is going to be one of those communities that is continuing to see some rain. You can see them right there. Monroeville also seeing some decent amounts of rain. Theirs is starting to pick up around the Monroeville area. This means the Turnpike, obviously, Parkway East, both are going to be right along that path where you're seeing some really heavy rain. If you don't have to leave in Monroeville right now, just stay at home for just a little bit longer. Let that rain pass through the area. Also, right around the Katanning area, we do have a storm that we're watching there. This is all moving to the east at around 20 miles an hour. This is right on top of 28. So once again, we could have some issues because of that heavy rain that we continue to see. A lot of lightning with this. Some small hail is going to be possible as well as it continues to slide just off to the east. Cold front, though, still just off to the north, and that will be pushing through this afternoon. Now, temperatures will likely go up a couple of degrees just behind this rain, but once the cold front comes through, we will stay cool for the rest of the day. So it's rain cooled right now. Places like Butler, 70, Beaver Falls at 70, and Newcastle at 72. All of those communities seeing some really heavy rain just a little bit ago. It's 80 degrees in Pittsburgh, 82 in Washington, and the Wheeling area also coming in at 79 degrees. 86 was pretty close to the high today. I'm not positive if we got to that 86-degree mark, but we are close for the last hour just before that rain got here. And here's what we expect the rest of the day to look like. Temperatures generally pretty much ticking down. We'll be at 78 at 6, 77 at 8, and 74 at 10 o'clock. So the rain gets out of here. Temperatures cool down for the rest of the day. And we'll have another strong chance for rain as we're heading into the weekend. Now, Friday, chance for rain mainly south of I-70 is what it looks like at this point. Better chance for rain on Saturday, especially late into the evening. And then on Sunday, you see that 80% chance right there? That's because of the remnants of Gordon, the last tropical system. Well, before Florence, the last tropical system that we saw. It's going to move off to the north and then slide off to the east. And as it does, some big numbers for us will be possible. That's mainly Saturday night, Sunday into Monday. We could have some flooding issues because of that. There's your forecast right there. 86, the high that we saw earlier today. 80 degrees the high tomorrow, and then 70s over the weekend for those temperatures.
What a change from those mid-90s.
Yeah,
earlier.
no, really down, but we did hit 4 90-degree days in a row. 95 yesterday was the hottest we have been since 2012. So that was a run that we had. Now back to, well, kind of normalcy.
I think we're ready for it.
I think a lot of folks are too.
Thank you, Ron.
Yeah.